When you have that knob up almost all, you can start feeling the heat just going. Thermally going on transferring on that coil, man.
Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Hey, what's up, man? Two-door king, man.
Yes, sir. Back with another video.
I like it. Did you open your port ups? A little, or still the same?
Everything's still the same.
Really? Okay. So you're happy with it, so you didn't want to change it?
Well, you know, we're gonna upgrade.
Yeah.
Just an upgrading with the drop ins. But I think I may just go with a bigger, better sub because these things are heating up pretty good. I'm sending.
Are these the C7s?
No, the XT3s.
XT3. Okay, that's right. Yeah.
I'm sending 6K to each sub.
Holy crap.
Yeah. I mean, they taking it, but
yeah.
You know, this one right here is injured. It has a hole in it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. This is a fourth order. Yeah. Good cone control though, so it helps a little.
Give you an updated video.
All right. So what's in here then? Your equipment. Go ahead, real quick. And your name. Go ahead.
I'm DJ G, aka Two-Door King. Still Louder President.
All right.
So we got 6 XT3 Crossfire 15s in here, powered by 2 Crossfire XT-16ks. 2 Singer 270s alternators, running off of the CES 80 amp hour lithium batteries. We got a 800.2 on the tweeters and a 2000.4 on the mids. That's how blow shit up. All right.
All right. Wow. And what's the bandwidth that you notice it likes best, like song-wise frequencies? What do you think it likes?
It plays a little bit everything, but I think it likes, you know, it peaks out at 42.
Okay.
Yeah, but it plays everything.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Woo. The Goliath, right?
Yep.
All right. Have you ever changed anything in the box? It's just more power.
Shit. We went from the XS's to the XT-16k,
okay.
And it's a night and day difference.
Yeah.
So, other than that, same deal.
Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna go look in the back.
Appreciate you, man.
Hey, open. Yeah, right there. Hey, good job, man. That's awesome.
In the task, come and see, cause it's the first of the month. Things on my page are like I'm trying to take these fools to lunch. Going crazy in the ghetto, trying to kill me. My little homie lost his life, y'all.
Hey,
Somehow you ease the pain like a body. On the thing you party at a final day. Iced out Cuban lane, rollers, VVS, pink and rain. Walk the same, talk the same, stay the same. Fuck the fame, never change. Cause I cannot wait until they set me free. So I finally can spin the rest of fine.
Thermally going on transferring on that coil, man. That's awesome. Dude, man, that's crazy, dude. Man. Have you ever changed anything in the box? It's just more power.
Shit. We went from the XSs to the XT-16k.
Okay.
And it's a night and day difference.
Yeah.
Other than that, same deal.
Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna go look in the back.
Appreciate you, man.